Today I will talk about concentration. What is concentration? And this talk is for the students, those who are preparing for class 10th and 12th board examinations. First, board exams are going to start from 4th of May, and people have ample opportunity to prepare very well for board exams. And the people, those who haven't started very thoroughly yet, they also have golden opportunity now. So the first question that comes up, how to concentrate for studies so that we can really perform up to our expectation or the potential that we have. So first I'd like to talk about what is concentration. Well, concentration is ability to work consistently for long duration without losing attention. It means आप लंबे समय तक आधा घंटा, पौना घंटा, 1 घंटा, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. How long can you continuously do your task without losing your attention, without getting diverted, without getting distracted? Is concentration. Now this concentration is very important. And remember, we all have great concentration. How do you know you have a great concentration? Number one, ऐसे बहुत से काम हैं जिसमें आप 1 घंटा, 2 घंटा, 3 घंटा, 4 घंटा लगातार करते रहते हैं. आप थकते नहीं, आप बोर नहीं होते हैं, आप परेशान नहीं होते हैं. आप यहां तक कि खाने का भी आपको ध्यान नहीं रहता है या आपको और एक्टिविटीज का ध्यान नहीं रहता. आप उस टास्क में इतने ज्यादा खो जाते हैं, लगातार करते रहते हैं. उसी को कंसंट्रेशन कहते हैं. आप किन टास्क में, किन कामों में आप बहुत ज्यादा कंसंट्रेशन देते हैं? जस्ट रिमेंबर, नंबर वन, if you are mobile users, how long can you watch mobile phone? How long can you play in your mobile phone? So वो वीडियो गेम खेल रहे हैं आप, मोबाइल गेम्स खेल रहे हैं, कुछ और चीज, इन वट एवर वे यू आर इन टू योर मोबाइल, वट एवर पर्पज यू आर सॉल्विंग इन योर मोबाइल, तो आप कितनी देर तक अपने मोबाइल में लगे रहते हैं? 1 घंटा, आधा घंटा, 2 घंटा, 3 घंटा. ये जो 1 घंटा, 1.5 घंटा, आधा घंटा, 3 घंटा, ये जो आप टाइम दे रहे हैं अपने मोबाइल में, दैट इज बेसिकली योर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. इसका अर्थ है कि एवरीबडी हैज ए ह्यूज कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. इट इज नॉट अ इश्यू कि किन बच्चों का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है, किन का नहीं है. इंपॉर्टेंट बात यह है कि हर बच्चे का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन होता है, जो भी 10th में पढ़ता है, जो भी 12th में पढ़ता है, या जो भी व्यक्ति है. whatever task they are doing, whatever their age is, everybody has a huge concentration. This is the first thing. Now, अब क्वेश्चन आता है, are you able to concentrate in your studies, say for 1 hour? 1 घंटे के लिए क्या आप concentrate कर सकते हैं? For 2 hours, for 3 hours? Can you do this? Can you study continuously for 3 hours, continuously for 2 hours, 1 hour? अगर आप ऐसा नहीं कर रहे हैं तो इसका अर्थ यह है कि कंसंट्रेशन तो है आपके पास, क्योंकि इन मोबाइल यू कैन प्ले फॉर 3 hours, 4 hours, or any games you can watch TV for very long hours. You can watch your favorite programs for very long hours. But regarding studies, you are not able to study for longer hours. It means the problem is not concentration. The problem is concentrating in studies. In other places, in other tasks, you are concentrating, but not in studies. So why you are not able to concentrate in studies? Let me tell you one thing. Means I'd like to share with you why you are not able to concentrate in studies. How come you are able to concentrate in your mobile, in different kind of social media? Well, I do not know much about what kind of activities in now youths are engaged in that, young students, but they are engaged for very long duration, for different, जो भी उनका अपना taste है, शौक है, according to that they are engaged in mobiles for long hours. If you can concentrate for long hours in mobile, in video games, in other games, in other activities, in your hobbies, why not in studies? What is the reason? In one task you are able to concentrate for longer duration, and in same way and at the same time in another task that is related to studies you are not able to concentrate for longer hours. There is one reason. Other tasks in which you are concentrating for longer hours is, it means you have greater value of that task. You are emotionally connected with that task. You are intellectually connected with that task. You have a greater value of that task. You feel this task is important for you, very, very important for you. And on the other hand, if you are not able to concentrate for longer duration in your studies, it means you have not thought about the benefits, the advantages, the importance of studies in your life. The moment you will start feeling, you will start believing, you will start telling yourself that yes, studies are very, very important for me. Remember, you will start concentrating in your studies also. Just tell me, are studies important for you? Do you believe studies are important for you? If they are important, how they are important? If you feel no, studies are not important, then why they are not important for you? If studies are not important, then why your parents are focusing so much about studies, they are constantly telling you, no, studies, 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 studies. Why are they telling you? Are they fooling you? No. Why your teachers are telling you constantly, concentrate in your studies. Studies are very important, very important. Are they fooling you? No. In reality, studies are important, but we have lost the track somewhere. We have lost the way. We feel no, they are not that much important. The moment you will get into track, the moment you will realize, yes, studies are very, very important, I tell you, you will start concentrating for 2 hours, for 3 hours, for 4 hours. I have seen the students, those who have realized that yes, studies are very important, very, very important for them. And they have believed that yes, they can study for longer hours and they can really perform. They believe that they are intelligent. They can score better, they can focus better, they can stress their attention for longer duration. They have started doing for really, really good. I have seen students, those who are not studying 2 years back or say 6 months back or 4 months back, now I see they have started focusing a lot into studies. What it means? The moment they realize that studies are very important for them, they have started concentrating a lot. And they have learned, they have mastered the art of concentrating into their studies because they have realized, they have felt that studies are very important for them. Now, what this means? It means the moment we feel something is very important for us, we start focusing to that. We start thinking about that. We start mastering that. And if we feel something is missing there, some problems are there, we start taking help from people. We start asking to our seniors, we start asking to our teachers, to our mothers, fathers, and all elder brothers, sisters, how to concentrate. Yeah, if something they are not able to understand, how to focus into that. The moment we realize that yes, something is very important for us, the very soon we start developing concentration. So here I finish my today's talk. Next week, on Thursday at 5 o'clock, I am going to speak the next part of this about concentration. Stay focused, and next week I'll tell you the next step when you can focus better. Good luck, all the best.